Hi everyone, Priscilla Torrey here on the cardiovascular system. The heart has four chambers. The two upper chambers are called the atria, which are referred as the oculars because of its similar appearance to an ear. The two lower chambers are called the ventricles. Left ventricle is thicker than the right ventricle. Heart valves. The tricuspid valve is located between the right atrium and the right ventricle. The pulmonary semilunar valve is located between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. The bicuspid valve is located between the left atrium and the left ventricle. The aortic semilunar valve is located between the left ventricle and the aorta. Fun fact, the bicuspid valve is also called the mitral because of its resemblance to a bishop's pointed hat called the mitre. Two hearts. The body has two working hearts that beat as one. The left heart is known as the systemic heart. It carries oxygenated blood away from the heart to the body and then returns deoxygenated blood back to the heart. The right heart is known as the pulmonary heart. It carries deoxygenated blood away from the heart to the lungs and then returns the oxygenated blood back to the heart. Flow of blood through the heart. Let's say that a drop of blood was dropped into one of the two hearts. Where would it go? Well, if a drop of blood was dropped into the vena cava, it would end up in these different sections of the heart in that order. But this is really hard to remember, and so it is very important for you to do the next step that will come into this slide. Flow of blood through the heart. So this is a chart that can really help you during your exams. If you were to do a single drop of blood into the pulmonary vein, it would end up into the left atrium, from there to the bicuspid valve, and so on and so forth. Or if it were to go backwards, it would end up in the lungs, the pulmonary artery, and the pulmonary semilunar valve. This can be very helpful during your exams. So really take note on this chart.